Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of Halloween fun with a special focus on pranks. If you're looking for the best Halloween pranks to unleash some laughter this spooky season, you're in for a treat. Today, we're featuring the BLOONSY Prank Kit, a collection of 20 ultimate practical jokes designed especially for kids. Let's jump right into what makes this kit a must-have for your Halloween festivities. First up, let's talk about the BLOONSY Prank Kit itself. This isn't just any ordinary prank set. It's packed with an array of hilarious pranks that are perfect for kids and adults alike. Each item is designed with child safety in mind, so parents can relax knowing their little pranksters are having fun without any harm. The kit includes classic favorites like whoopee cushions and spider prank boxes, along with some innovative surprises that will have everyone laughing out loud. The best part about this kit is its versatility. Whether you're at a Halloween party, playing with friends, or just looking to pull a harmless prank on a family member, the BLOONSY Prank Kit has got you covered. Kids can easily set up and execute these pranks independently, allowing for hours of entertainment and creativity. Just imagine the joy on their faces when they pull off their first successful prank. Imagine this. It's Halloween night, and your kids invite their friends over for a night of spooky fun. With the BLOONSY Prank Kit, they can kick off the evening with laughter. It's an excellent icebreaker that brings everyone together and sets the mood for a fun-filled night. Not only does it help kids socialize, but it also encourages them to think creatively as they come up with new ways to use the pranks. Let's take a look at one of my personal favorites from the kit. Here's the classic whoopee cushion. A timeless gag that never gets old. Just place it discreetly on a chair, and when someone sits down, well, you can imagine the result. It's simple, effective, and always gets a good laugh. Alongside the whoopee cushion, the BLOONSY Prank Kit also includes items like the frickin' cricket and shock gum. These items are not only fun but also designed for durability, ensuring that your pranks can last through multiple uses. Kids can share them with friends, making every gathering a memorable experience. So, to sum it all up, the BLOONSY Prank Kit is your go-to source for the best Halloween pranks. With a wide selection of safe, easy-to-use pranks, it promises endless fun for kids of all ages. It's an ideal gift for birthdays or Halloween, and trust me, it will become a favorite in your household. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're excited about bringing some laughter to your Halloween celebrations, don't forget to check out the BLOONSY Prank Kit. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share your favorite prank ideas in the comments below. Until next time, keep spreading the joy and laughter. Happy Halloween!